Friends, the topic of this video is solar system. Although you will all know about the solar system, but in this video you will know how far is each planet from the sun, what mass is found on that planet, how long do the planet take to make a round of their place and the sun, how much is size of each planet. We will see more information in this video, so stay watching. First of all, we talk about our solar system. There is a one star in solar system, 8 planet and 205 satellite of those planet. In which star means sun and planet example Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now we will know about the sun and the planet one by one. Now we will talk about the sun. The sun is the star located in the center of solar system. The diameter of sun is about 1.39 million kilometer. The sun is 109 times larger in diameter by the earth. The sun is huge ball of hydrogen and helium gases. Due to the strong gravity of the sun, the earth and other planets are held on space. Just as other planets revolve around the sun, similarly the sun revolves around the center of Milky Way galaxy, and it takes 230 million years to do that orbit. The sun revolves around the Milky Way at 220 km per second. Now we will talk about planet Mercury. These planets come first place from the sun. The planets closest to the sun is Mercury and also the smallest planet. These planets take 88 Earth days to complete one round of the sun, which is much faster than all planets, and it takes 58.65 Earth days to roam in its own place. This planet is 52.92 million kilometers away from the sun. Mercury does not have its own satellite. We can see Mercury planet a few minutes before sunset. The diameter of the planet Mercury is about 4880 km. Oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium and potassium are found on the planet Mercury. The temperature of one day of Mercury reached 427 degrees Celsius. Mercury has first seen by Galileo Galilei. If your weight on Earth is 100 kg, then your weight on Mercury will be 38 kg. If you look at the sun from the planet Mercury, then the sun will look 3 times larger. Mercury is still 2.4 degree on its axis. Now we will know the things of planet Venus. This planet comes second from the sun. The planet Venus takes 224.7 Earth days to complete one round of the sun, and it takes 243 Earth days to revolve in its own place. Venus is 108.34 million kilometers away from the sun. The planet Venus does not have its own satellite. The diameter of planet Venus is 12,104 km. You can also see the planet Venus with naked eyes. Venus has 96% carbon dioxide content, which is very high. Therefore, Venus is hottest planet in the solar system. The temperature of the planet Venus reached 462 degrees Celsius when part of the planet is toward the sun. There is a huge amount of volcano on the planet Venus. Venus is tilt 177 degree on its axis, which is more than all planets. Now we will know about our planet, planet Earth. Earth comes third from the sun. It takes 365 days to make a one round of the sun. The only planets in the entire universe where life is present. It takes 24 hours to roam its own place. There is a 77% nitrogen on Earth, 21% oxygen and some amount of iron and carbon dioxide. The Earth is 1.496 billion km away from the sun. Earth has a satellite we call the moon. The diameter of the Earth is 12,742 km. Temperature of the Earth go from 56.9 degrees Celsius to minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. The Earth is tilted 23.45 degree on its axis. Now we will talk about Mars. The planets come fourth from the sun. Mars is to 44 billion kilometers away from the Sun. It takes 1 year 322 hours day from Mars to make a full round of the Sun. It takes 24 hours 39 minutes to rotate in its place. The diameter of Mars is 6,779 km. Mars has its two satellites whose names are Phobos and Deimos. You can see on this picture. There is a 95% carbon dioxide on Mars. Mars is also called red planet because there is red salt. Temperature on Mars range -143 to 75 degrees Celsius. The weight of 100 kg on Earth will be 37 kg on Mars. Mars is tilted 25.19 degree on its axis. Now we will talk about planet Jupiter. This planet comes fifth from the Sun. The planet Jupiter is 778.5 million km away from the Sun. It takes 11 years 317 hours day for a full round of the Sun, and it takes 9 hours 56 minutes to revolve in its own place, which is faster and quickest than all planets. This planet is 318 times larger than Earth by mass. Jupiter has 71% hydrogen, 24% helium and 5% other mass. Hence, the planet is also called sphere filled with gas. Jupiter is 1,39,820 km in diameter. Jupiter is larger planet in the solar system. The planet Jupiter has 79 satellites of its own. Jupiter is tilted 3.13 degree on its axis. The temperature of this planet is -108 degrees Celsius. Now we will know about planet Saturn. This planet comes in 6th position from the Sun. Saturn is 1.48 billion km away from the Sun. The diameter of planet Saturn is 1,16,460 km. It takes 29 years 175 hours day for Saturn to make a full round of the Sun. It takes 10 hours and 40 minutes to rotate on its own place. Saturn has 96% hydrogen, 3% helium and other mass. The planet is also gas ball. Saturn has 82 satellites, of which the larger is the Titan satellite. If I talk about the rings of Saturn, then it's 6,630 km above the planets and it's spread over a distance of 1,20,700 km and 20 meter in wind. Saturn is tilted 26.73 degree on its axis. The planet Saturn was first seen by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Now we will talk about Uranus. This planet comes 7th from the Sun. The planet is 2.95 million km away from the Sun. The diameter of the planet Uranus is 15,724 km. It takes 84 Earth years for the planet to orbit the Sun and take 17 hours and 14 minutes to rotate its own place. The planet has 83% hydrogen, 15% helium and 2.3% methane masses. The planet Uranus is tilted 97.77 on its axis. These planets are also sprays of gas. The planet has 27 satellites of its own. The planet Uranus is not like every other planet, but it rotates in the opposite direction and complete its rotation by rolling. This planet also have small ring like Saturn. The special thing of this planet is that due to inclination of 97.77 degree, that's why 82 years on this planet are night and only 2 years remaining day. The planet was discovered on 13 March 1781 by William Herschel. The temperature of this planet is -197 degrees Celsius. Now we will know about the planet Neptune. It's come 8 from the Sun. The planet Neptune is 4.47 billion km away from the Sun and it takes 16 hours 12 minutes for the planet to revolve in its own place. It takes 165 Earth years to complete one round of the Sun, which is the highest of all the planets. The diameter of this planet is 49,244 km. The planet Neptune also has a small ring and this planet looks blue in view. The planet Neptune is tilted 28.32 degree in its axis. The planet has 14 satellites of its own. The planet Neptune has 80% hydrogen, 19% helium and 1% methane. This planet also called icy gas ball because the temperature of this planet is minus 200 degrees Celsius. The planet was first spotted with the telescope on 23rd September 1846 after conducting an investigation. I hope guys you enjoyed my video. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.